You get this big grant from NASA. What's that all about? What are you doing? Let me ask you, are you going up there?
No, but my cells are going up there, and they have been up there already. So, really short story. So, NASA has a lot of interest in biology, and so they had a series of grants. This is the way I get into grants to try to figure out what happens to astronauts' brains in space. What if we want to go to Mars? How can we get all the information that we need to find out whether it's even worthwhile? So because of stem cells, my colleagues and I came up with a scheme in which we made these little tiny representations of the human brain. And when I say tiny, I mean like 0.5 millimeter across, but they have the right types of neurons in them. So we made neurons, and this is, again, these are iPS cells. We can make anything out of them, right? So we made the part of the brain that makes dopamine. We made the part of the brain that is affected in MS. We are making the part of the brain that is affected in Alzheimer's disease going forward. So we've got these tiny, tiny little balls of cells with nerve cells in them. They're connecting with each other and are very brain-like. We send them up to space, which is so full of new surprises. But I got to go and watch the rockets take off. So our experiments go up, and then they come back a month later, and we analyze the cells we sent up and find out what happened. When they came back, we discovered that the neurons that we had sent up, they're kind of baby neurons, they grew older, they developed faster in space than they did on the ground.